Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting Olympiad mathematics problem, okay? But we're here to solve for the real value of x. As you can see, x is a real number. And what is the equation? X raised to the power of 3x plus x raised to the power of x is equal to 68. So we're going to solve for x. So how do we approach this problem? Let's start with the left-hand side. We know that x raised to the power of 3x can be written as x raised to the power of x whole cubed, right? Because x times 3 will give us 3x. Then we have here plus x raised to the power of x. So this is equal to 68. Now it is clear enough that we can make a substitution here, right? So we're going to let x raised to the power of x equals y. So from here we get y cubed plus y is equal to 68. Now here comes the magic. 68 we can actually write it making sure that we're observing the powers of x at the left hand side. The power here is 1 and the power here is 3. So we know very well that 68 is same as 64 plus 4. But is this corresponding with the left hand side? Yes, of course, because 64 is a perfect cube. It's also a perfect square. What an awesome number, right? So it is 4 cubed plus 4 to the power of 1. But one can easily say that y is equal to 4 here. But the question here is, do we have more solutions? That is why we need to do something more meaningful, okay? So this is what we're going to do. Y cubed plus y is equal to 64 plus 4. Take this to the left hand side and take this one as well to the left hand side. We get y cubed minus 64 plus y minus 4. This is equal to 0. So from here, we know this is y cubed minus 4 cubed. Then plus y minus 4, this is equal to 0. So here we can make use of the difference of two cubes formula. Let's recall a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. So use that here, right? So we get y minus 4 multiplied by y squared plus 4 times y is 4y plus 4 squared will give us 16. And here we have plus y minus 4. The whole of this is equal to 0. Take a look at this left hand side of this equation. There's something fishing on, right? We know that y minus 4 is common, so we take it out. Then we get here y squared plus 4y plus 16. And here we're left with 1. So it becomes plus 1 here. This is equal to 0. Take a look. From here, we have two products, which is equal to 0. So either the first bracket, y minus 4 is equal to 0, or y squared plus 4y plus 17 is equal to 0. So from here, you can see the solution shows up again. Y is equal to 4. And what about this one right over here? This is a quadratic equation. We can easily figure out if the roots are reals or complexes, right? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to recall the data, right? Which is the discriminant. If this data is less than 0, then we have y as complex numbers, right? But if data is greater than 0, then y is real. And of course we need real. If data is equal to 0, then we have a repeated root. In fact, a repeated real root, right? So take a look. How do we calculate this data? We know the data, which is the discriminant, is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Check it out. B squared is 4 minus 4 times a times c, which is 4 times 1 times 17. So this is 16 minus. So from here, we got 68, if I'm not mistaken, right? Is that 68? Yes. Obviously, this is less than 0. And this shows that y belongs to the set of complex numbers. So therefore the only real is y is equal to 4. Now let's recall back once again. We started earlier by letting x raised to the power of x equals y. And here we get y is equal to 4, so we get x raised to the power of x is equal to 4. It is easy enough from here because we know that 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 4. So from here we can come up with our solution to this equation, that x is equal to 2. And this is the correct answer, right? Let's cross-check and see if 2 indeed satisfy the equation. Our equation is x raised to the power of 3x plus x raised to the power of x, that this will give us 68. Now we know x is equal to 2. Plug in, we get 2 raised to the power of 2 times 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 2. So this is equal to 2 raised to the power of 6 plus 2 raised to the power of 2. So this will give us 64 plus 4, which is indeed equal to 68. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is our solution. If you really enjoyed this video, please kindly do well to support the channel by subscribing. Also like, comment, and share.